Hello friends, this is Dr. Kirti Seth and today we are going to discuss about a very basic topic that what is computer programming. So in today's world, programming is gaining a lot of popularity. In fact, since last 3 decades, programming is gaining a lot of popularity. So as a teenager, as a child, it is necessary to know so many questions about computer programming comes into the mind, and it is necessary to know that what is computer programming, what we are going to do in through computer programming, and how to do this. So the basic topic of today's talk is what is computer programming. So when we talk about computer programming, there are so many programming languages. So what is a computer programming language? So just simple, from a layman term, what is a language? Just language is the medium of communication, simply, and nothing else. If we want to communicate, if two persons want to communicate with each other, they should know a common platform, and that particular platform is known as language. For example, now I am talking in English, and in fact you all know English, those who are listening to me. For example, if I am not talking in English, I am talking in Arabic, French, Russian, Hindi, or any other language, and some of you are not familiar about that particular language, so we cannot communicate with each other. So language is just the medium of communication. Similarly, if we talk about programming language is nothing but the medium of communication between user and computer. We all know that computer perform a lot of tasks, a lot of calculations. In fact, in today's time, we can say whatever we want to do, we can perform with the help of our computer. But how these computers do? Ultimately, these computers are machine. They work on some instruction. But how we can give these instructions to computer? So for that particular purpose, we should know some programming language, that is known the language which computer understand. So when we give our instruction to computer, so we should give this into some common platform which we understand and that computer also understand, and that particular platform is known as programming language. So you have seen so many examples like Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, or some operating system, some web pages. Daily you open some web pages. So actually, what is these web pages? What is this word? For example, you click to the new, you go to the file option, click to the mouse, and some options pop up, like you want to open a new document into your Word, you click on new and blank document. So it is not a magic, because some programmer, some software engineer has written this for you, has instruct your computer to do this. So this is known as programming. Whatever we want to perform with the help of our computer, we have to give some instructions. And how we can give those instructions? We can give those instructions through some programming language. So in the technical term, we can say that computer programming is a way of giving computer instructions about what they should do next. These instructions are known as code, and computer programmers write code to solve problem or perform a specific task. So with the help of computer programming or with the help of coding, we can make our computer perform so many tasks for us. The ultimate goal is to create something. The ultimate goal of computer programming is to create something. That could mean anything from a web page or a piece of software or even just a pretty picture. That's why computer programming is often described as a mix between art and science. It's technical and analytical, yet creative at the same time. So I hope you understand the basic idea for computer programming, that what computer programming is. If you have if you have some queries, you can write queries on comment box. And if you want to make a video on some other interesting topic, you can give suggestion in the comment box. Thank you. In the next video, we'll come with some new things. Thank you so much.